Hey guys, Captain Matt here. Just want to go show you some power supplies. So, on this line job here, this is this was here. This is pre-existing. This wasn't ours. This is what you'll see so often. You need the external box. You need it off of the house. It's just the old school style of how he had to have it set up. Now, I was originally planning on a direct burial transformer here, which is like right here. All right, so this one would get buried directly into the ground. You wouldn't see it at all. But here we have, all these rocks, right? You got pretty good inch or two layer of rocks, and then we have the weed barrier underneath. So what I did is we switched up to using this. This is a power supply. It's the same, has the same amount of voltage and everything as a direct burial, and it has more voltage than that one currently. So, well, I came out, I was checking on if Mark had done it yet, and I couldn't find it because it blended right in. So look how cool that is. Always just think of how little this or how much this blends in. Well, this just stands out. Now I understand that sometimes you do need wall mount. It just is what it is, but we always strive to use what blends in the most, right? We're doing landscape lighting because you have beautiful landscaping, you have a beautiful home. We're trying to enhance its beauty, not add other things to it. So like this to me is 100% ugly. Luckily it's behind this big green bush. We're gonna leave it. And again, sometimes it's needed. When I do boxes, I like to do them on the sides of the home near other utility things, so that kind of, you already have things on the wall, so it just goes with it. Again, I understand sometimes you need to do this thing, but they didn't need to do it here. They could have put it right around 8 feet away on the other side of that wall. Rock blends right in, brick wall, pebbles on the ground, rock transformer, that's a 320 volts. And then, no, it's not. It's 320 watts. I got all excited. 320 watts. That's a 26 volt. Yeah. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.